Exploring the myth. Do good-looking people really have it easier than everyone else? In a world obsessed with physical appearance, it seems that good-looking people have an unfair advantage in life. From the boardroom to the dating scene, there is a pervasive belief that beauty opens doors and smooths paths that others can only dream of. But is this notion based on truth? Or simply a myth? Perpetuated by our beauty-obsessed culture? So, let's embark on a journey to uncover the reality behind beauty bias and explore its profound impact on society. Topic number 1. The influence of physical attractiveness in social interactions. We're all aware that physical appearance holds considerable sway over how we perceive others and how we're perceived. We've all heard the saying, "Don't judge a book by its cover," but when it comes to human interactions, we often do just that. It's no secret that looks wield a significant influence over our social relations. Countless studies have shown that we often judge individuals based on their appearances, forming snap judgments without considering the whole picture. This fascinating phenomenon, known as the halo effect, gives attractive people a head start in winning us over. It's as if we assume they possess a plethora of other desirable qualities, such as intelligence, competence, and kindness. But hold on tight, since the halo effect doesn't merely confine itself to casual encounters, it stealthily infiltrates the professional realm as well. Research has revealed that attractive individuals have a higher likelihood of securing job opportunities, getting promoted, and earning substantial salaries. Why? Well, it seems that deep-rooted biases and societal perceptions have formed an implicit connection between physical attractiveness and competence, leadership abilities, and overall success. Talk about judging a book by its cover. Let's move to our next topic. The role of beauty in personal relationships and dating. Matters of the heart. Physical attractiveness undoubtedly plays a role when it comes to personal relationships and the exhilarating world of dating. It comes as no surprise that many of us harbor certain preferences based on appearance when we're seeking a partner. Studies consistently demonstrate our inclination to gravitate towards those blessed with good looks. However, here's the twist. Being attractive doesn't guarantee long-term relationship satisfaction. Ultimately, compatibility, communication, and that special emotional bond precede superficial beauty. Topic number 3. The professional advantage of being good-looking. Now, let's shift our focus to the professional arena. As it turns out, being easy on the eyes can provide a substantial advantage in the corporate world. Research suggests that attractive individuals are more likely to secure job interviews and receive preferential treatment during the hiring process. But hold your horses. We mustn't allow appearances to overshadow the true determinants of professional success. Qualifications, skills, and experience ought to take center stage. Over-reliance on physical appearance can unjustly exclude talented individuals who may not conform to society's narrow beauty standards. Topic number 4. Cultural factors shaping perceptions of beauty. Beauty resides in the eyes of the beholder, and that beholder can vary based on geographical location and cultural background. Beauty standards are far from universal. They differ significantly across cultures and societies. Moreover, the media plays a significant role in shaping and perpetuating these ideals. We're constantly bombarded with images that adhere to a limited definition of beauty, leaving many feeling inadequate and grappling with crippling self-esteem issues. Embracing diversity and inclusivity in our understanding of attractiveness is crucial for fostering healthier attitudes towards beauty. And our final topic is the psychological impact of being viewed as attractive or unattractive. Let's dive into a candid discussion. The relentless pressure to conform to societal beauty standards takes a toll on our mental well-being. Society places an overwhelming emphasis on looking a certain way, leading to body image struggles, diminished self-esteem, and even severe mental health challenges. Astonishingly, even those viewed as attractive face their own set of hurdles. They grapple with the weight of unrealistic expectations and the constant fear of losing the perceived advantages that come with their appearance. It's high time to appreciate individuals for their inner qualities, character, skills, and contributions, rather than superficial traits. And finally, let us move to our conclusion. The complex relationship between looks and success. The notion that beauty guarantees an effortless life is far more intricate than it appears. While physical attractiveness undeniably holds some sway, we cannot allow it to become the sole measure of success or social acceptance. We must acknowledge the pervasive influence of beauty bias and its impact on various facets of our lives. By embracing diversity, challenging societal beauty standards, and celebrating the unique qualities of every individual, we can foster a more inclusive and equitable society. So, dear friends, let's cast off the shackles imposed by the beauty myth. Success and happiness should be evaluated based on the content of our character, our talents, and the contributions we make to the world. Remember, true beauty resides within every one of us. Let us celebrate the vast richness of human diversity and revel in the radiant beauty that emanates from the depths of our souls. And always remember to smile, for you are undeniably beautiful, just the way you are. But our quest doesn't end here. We invite you to continue the conversation beyond this video. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Have you witnessed the beauty bias firsthand? Do you believe that our society should prioritize inner qualities over external appearance? We are eager to hear your perspectives and engage in a meaningful dialogue.